security stuff. The most important part is the bell box. That one doesn't look right. So there we go, we have just installed almost 20 wireless devices, probably in about 10 minutes. And now we've just got to go put these around the house in their locations. So because we've got a list of where everything's going, what we're going to do is put the door contacts, put the sensors in all the locations, let soak test for about half an hour, and then we'll fix them up to the wall once the ricochet mesh is settled. Hush.